What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to reset your WordPress website. So in two different ways, different scenarios, and sometimes you have lots of media, lots of content, lots of pages, posts, and you simply need to erase, you simply need to delete it all and start from all over again. How to reset your WordPress website in a simple, fast and effective method for free is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover a mouse over plugins and click into the submenu add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to the search plugins, you're going to be able to find a field. Right here we're going to click and type reset, just like this, reset. So on your case you're going to be able to see an install now button, just like this. Okay, we're going to click on install now, then we're going to click into the activate button. You're going to be redirected to the WordPress section, the plugin section, where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And now, if you hover a mouse over the tools next to users, and between users and settings, there is tools, you're going to be able to find a new submenu called WP Reset. Click on it, and right here we have a couple of options, okay? We can even create snapshots, okay? In the case that you are a pro user. But for us, we're gonna focus on to keep things all for free. The plugin may opens you a banner pop-up, so just type ask on your keyboard to close it up. And scroll it down. Just scroll it down just a little bit. And right here, we have the site reset option. The first option is reactivate your current theme. Yes, I want to reactivate my current theme. Reactivate WP Reset plugin. Will you need the plugin later? If not, you can unmark this option. Reactivate all the currently active plugins. Yes, I want that. Type reset to start. This is a very important part, okay? This gonna delete all of the contents on your site. So, images, posts, pages, videos, products. So, pay attention to this. If you are okay with that, type reset, just like this, and click into reset site. Are you sure you want to reset your site? Clicking reset site will reset your site to the full values. All the content will be lost. Always create a snapshot if you want to be able. In the case that you want to create a backup, there is a video tutorial on your Visual Modo YouTube channel. Just search for Visual Modo backup into YouTube or on Google, so you can learn how to create a backup, and after this you can reset your site safer, okay? Once this is a test website, I can reset it. So I'm gonna click on reset now. Normally the reset tool gonna make you log out from your WordPress dashboard, so you're gonna need to log out, and after this you're gonna need to log in again. But as you're gonna be able to see, the site comes back to the full WordPress installation. Simple, easy, fast, and works for free. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.